we are pleased to introduce our new products to you. Semi-Quantitative HCG one-step pregnancy test, 5-in-1 dipcard, which is intended for self-testing. This device can answer users as 2 questions. 1. Am I pregnant? 2. How long have I been pregnant? It can more accurately measure the specific weeks of pregnancy than the brand of Clearblue. Another advantage is that if it is used continuously, the test line color of the test results is not deepened in proportion, indicating the possibility of abnormal pregnancy. The device has detectable result through detect the concentration of HCG level. There are 5 HCG strips are assembled in one dipcard. Each box contains, first, 1 semi-quantitative HCG one-step pregnancy test, 5-in-1 dipcard in a foil pouch, and 2 a package insert. Materials required but not provided. First, hammer 2, specimen collection container, storage and stability. Store test strip at 4 to 30 degrees Celsius room temperature. Avoid sunlight. Expiry date, 2 years.